This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Carswell. Come see this spacious 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath move-in ready home. The first floor features an eat-in kitchen, living room with a wood-burning fireplace, dining room, half bathroom, and a first-floor laundry room. The second floor features spacious bedrooms, including a master bedroom with bath and a huge finished frog which can be used as the fourth bedroom. Roof is 2 years old. Paint and carpet 2 years old. Brand new deck/steps lead you to a large backyard for entertaining. The oversized garage and driveway provide plenty of space for storage and parking. Easy commute to Coast Guard Base and Naval Hospital, U.S. Joint Force Command, Naval Station Norfolk, restaurants, entertainment and interstate.